Could we hand over the mic to the person in the front? Right extreme.
Congratulations to all of you. So I have a question for you all. So I have gone through various platforms to decide if I have to take coaching or not. Like various platforms like Quora or blogs like you have Despair to Destiny. I've gone through all those blogs. So there were like variety of suggestions from the toppers. So some say it's better to take coaching. There's no harm in taking coaching, and some say, okay, we'll take only test series, and some say you can even get this if you can prepare from home. So what is the optimal solution for this? What do you all suggest, like being the toppers or me, successful candidates? Thank you.
See, you get a lot of solutions, various different solutions, precisely because it differs from person to person. How it worked for me does not work for him. So here we are five people. We all have different stories to how we have achieved this success. So ultimately, you are the judge. Nobody can tell you that. Whether you require, when you read a subject and you think that your level of knowledge is not as good, and your coaching would help you get up to speed, then definitely you can take coaching. And I have written to that extent in my blog as well. It depends on person to person. For somebody, there might be who is interested in self-learning. Just if you give that person books, they would study at home and then write test series. For somebody, writing is a problem, so they would take test series. So there cannot be a single solution, precisely because it differs from person to person. There is no optimal solution. The question cannot have an optimal solution. You are the best judge for it. You read the subject. If you're unable to understand it, and if you think coaching would help me, please go and join coaching. Otherwise, if you think you can do it on your own, then you can do it on your own as well.
See that if you guys are joining our institute, so but obvious that whatever list we are given you, that it's from that perspective that you are not going anywhere. That's my take. That I'm just saying that you are going to prepare at your own. So these books are going to help you. Then, but if at all you are joining this our institute, so for example, that let me tell you that you are reading Modern Indian History with Neeraj Rao. And then what crux you will get in the class is that my job, that your job would be reading that 13 subjects, but my job is to read just one subject, that is modern Indian history. And then I have read till now more than 30 books of the modern Indian history. So that knowledge of mine, that I will pray God that comes helpful to you. Then, so that knowledge would be disseminated in the classes and according to the trend which has been set in the previous year. Then, so that's how it is going to help you. And even in that case, if you're joining the classes, so if you are kind of skipping one or two books, so then it's not a big issue then, because you are already attending the classes, you are there in the classes. So there is a three-way emphasization. Let me tell you some scientific aspect of this one, that human mind works in three-way: audio memory, then visual memory, and literary memory. Class is the one that true thing that where you get maximum benefit, that once you are listening to me, then second would be that you are writing that thing, and third is that you are seeing that thing. So three-way emphasization is there in the classroom. Moreover, that you get the hold of the real kind of competition in the classes. Then, so real kind of competition in the classes, you see your peer group, that where they are, where you are, then, and then your reckoning would be there on the regular level. For example, that madam that who was there before, just before that economics, so she must have told you that the kind of program which is there in the Vision IS. So one such is there, that regular mini test, then, and regular that kind of those kind of that objective tests are there. So going by that trend, we see your progress. Then we see your progress, and not only we see your progress, but also on the basis of that, what we do, that we give you mentorship. Have you heard about that? Did ma'am told you mentorship? So what is this mentorship? That on personal level, one-to-one level, that we will be seeing all your aspects, that where you are lacking, even you have any such kind of that other problem. So we talk about that also. We try to resolve the psychological factors that are associated with that also, and at the same point of time, keep you on the track with this examination. Then, so, and let me assure you one more such thing, that the services that Vision IS is offering that is not available in any of the coaching institute. For example, that if you're joining our classroom program, so you are given that online access to the classes. Then suppose that there is a Holi, okay? And we all are humans. We are kind of that, we have that tendency to kind of that do celebrate these things with our family. So Holi or Diwali is there, you're going to your home. Then so even in that case, what is happening, that you're going to your home, but you're not losing on your classes. You're seeing it online then, and that classes are available to you till that 2 years then, so you can see it up till that end. And then also moreover that you can directly ask, you don't need to be present over here in the classes, you can directly ask your questions to your faculty who is teaching over there at that time. So this is the one such.
कोचिंग करना बिल्कुल अनिवार्य नहीं है, एकदम नहीं है, रत्ती भर अनिवार्य नहीं है। हाँ, सेल्फ से हो सकता है, धूमधाम से हो सकता है सेल्फ से। आप उम्मीद कर रहे थे कि मैं कहूंगा जरूरी है, ऐसा नहीं है एकदम। दुनिया में कोई भी ऐसी परीक्षा नहीं बनी जिसके लिए कोचिंग करना जरूरी हो, ऐसी कोई परीक्षा नहीं है। अंतर सिर्फ इतना होता है कि थोड़ी सी आपकी मेहनत कम हो जाती है, क्योंकि कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसने पहले मेहनत की है वो आपको चीजें आसानी से दे देता है। देखो, जो बहुत सीनियर बताते हैं वो बहुत सीनियर क्यों हुए, ये भी एक सवाल है। उनको छोड़ो ना, अब सीधे बात करो यार, सीनियर क्या बता रहे हैं, मठाधीश क्या बता रहे हैं, वो सब छोड़ो ना। मैं तो अपनी राय बता सकता हूँ। सिलेक्टेड क्या बता रहे हैं, मुझे इससे दबाव नहीं होता मेरे ऊपर, क्योंकि मैं खुद भी सिलेक्टेड रहा हूँ, तो मुझे इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। तो मैं अपनी राय बताऊंगा, ठीक लगे तो मान लीजिएगा और तनाव मत लीजिए, अपने आप हो सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। बैठिए।